All right, folks, what I'm going to suggest you do now is we're going to download codeblocks. In this video, I'll show you how to download codeblocks. And first you have to get the installer. And we can just, so we have to download it. Man, today is Monday, I can tell. Codeblocks download. Right there it is. And we're going to go to downloads. You're going to select binary release. And then we will come down here. And we'll have all the different options for downloading it. So we are going to, I suggest that you do the Ming GW setup. Should include the compiler. Sometimes there's problems with that, but we'll come back and we'll address that a little bit later. As you can see, it's downloading. Now we're going to go over and take a look at the file. So we're going to go to download. That's where I downloaded it. And right here is my file. Click next. I agree. You should get some things like this. Everything should be checked. Let's uncheck that. And this will take a couple of minutes to install. There's a lot of stuff. I don't know if you noticed, but I think there's like 170 megs in this particular installation package. So it will take a couple minutes for it to install. That's completely normal. And once it installs, go ahead and click yes. All right, in my particular case, don't worry about this there. That's just because I got some things double configured, but some of you may get this. So for now, I'm going to close out this video. If you got this, that just means we got to maybe download some more software or maybe try to find your compiler. So I will close out of codeblocks. I will hit next, and I will hit finish. So that's the installation of codeblocks.